Today we are taking a look at the Eco Baby safety locks. These adjustable locks are very unique, as they can be used on drawers, cabinet doors, refrigerators, and even toilets to keep your children safe. They come in 4, 6, 12, or 16 lock packages. Included in each pack are the locks, extra 3M adhesive foam pads, alcohol pads, and instructions. First, measure the surface you want to install the lock on. Do not close the sliding top yet, as this will lock the end. You can trim off any excess strap if it's too long. The strap has indentations on one side which line up with the ridges on one of the ends. Clean the area surface with the alcohol pad included. Place the cut strap back on the bottom of the sliding side. Slide the top piece over the strap and lock it in place. The sliding side does not open once locked in place. Peel off both sides of the 3M adhesive foam pads. Firmly push both sides to the surfaces you wish to install on. Please allow 24 hours for the 3M foam pads to fully cure. To release the lock, press the release button out and lift. This has been a presentation of the Eco Baby safety locks.